Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we're going to show you CanAm's Accu-Just to coat inside angles from 72 to 135 degrees. So the Accu-Just, it's a genius idea. It's great engineering from the folks over at CanAm Tools, and it's very simple. You simply push it to your inside 45, and as you push it into the corner, it will automatically adjust to that angle. And obviously, it's a direct flusher. It's going directly on the compound tube, and the mud comes through the apex here. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you what that looks like. So we've already pushed it into our 45, so we already have our angle on there. So there you go, just like that, we've applied the mud. Now I'm going to apply our paper tape. Now, traditionally, this is not how I would personally install a 45. I would use a product that's a little more rigid, something like No Coat or LevelLine or Strait-Flex, just so we can make sure that that corner is perfectly straight. But in this case, our angle is pretty tight. So we've gone ahead, we've applied the mud. Now we're just going to pass the Accu-Just right over top of that tape. And just like that, we're pretty much done. So now I could go in with a putty knife, clean up our top and bottom edges, and we've mudded, set our tape in place, and wiped it tight. So nifty little product by CanAm, the Accu-Just.